Right now, AI road maintenance videos are going viral on YouTube. I found one channel where a single video reached over 249 million views. Then, I saw another video from the same niche with 62 million views. And it didn't stop there. Most of their videos have over 1 million views each. But here's where it gets even more interesting. I discovered another channel in the same niche that gained almost 150,000 subscribers from just 21 videos. And according to the View Stats tool, this channel earns between $1,000 and $4,000 every month. Another similar channel makes between $500 and $2,000 per month. So now, you might be wondering, how are these videos actually made? And more importantly, how can you make them yourself? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI road maintenance videos using free AI tools, step by step. If you follow along carefully, you'll be able to make your own viral videos too. Alright, first, let's understand the foundation of these videos. Every viral road transformation video starts with a simple road image, which we call the base image. This base image is very important because it becomes the starting point for the whole transformation. From here, the AI will slowly change the road through different stages, from broken roads to construction scenes, and finally, to a beautiful finished road. This step-by-step change is what creates that satisfying before and after effect that keeps viewers watching until the very end. But here's the thing, creating random images won't work. You need your images to be consistent. That means the camera angle, the background, and the road's position must stay the same. If they don't, the animation will look fake, and people will quickly lose interest. This is exactly why prompts are so important. To make things easier, I created a special master prompt. This one prompt automatically generates everything you need, from the base image prompt to the scene transformation prompts, and even the animation prompts. It saves you a lot of time and ensures your results look professional. You can find this prompt for free on our Discord server. First, copy the master prompt and then paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will start generating all the prompts you need. It will give you 3 important things. First, it will give you the base image prompt. This is used to create the original road image, which becomes the foundation of your entire video. Next, it will give you the scene prompts. These prompts help you make different versions of the same road, like damaged roads, repair stages, and fully finished roads. Finally, it will give you the animation prompts. These are used to animate your images, turning them into smooth, satisfying transformation videos. This step is really powerful because you're not guessing what to write. Instead, you're using a proven system that increases your chances of creating viral quality content. Alright, now that all our prompts are ready, it's time to generate our images. For this, I use a tool called Google Veo. This tool is very powerful, and the best part is that it gives free access to Nano Banana Pro, which we'll use to create high-quality images. First, go to Google Veo and create a new project. Then, look at the settings panel and select the option called Create Image. This tells the AI that we want to generate images, not videos. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the base image prompt that was generated earlier. Paste it into the Flow text box. Before you generate the image, check the settings again. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio, how many images to generate, and which model to use. In this case, select Nano Banana Pro. You'll notice it says 0 credits required. This means you can generate images for free, which is great for beginners. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait a few seconds. And there it is, your AI-generated road image. This is exactly what we need. This image will be the starting point for our transformation story. Now comes the most important part, creating the other scenes without changing the background. This is critical because if the background changes, the animation will look fake, and viewers will lose trust in your video. Consistency is what makes the transformation believable. Here's what you do next. Click on Add to Prompt. This tells the AI to use your base image as a reference. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the scene 1 Nano Banana prompt, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. In seconds, you'll see a new image. Look closely. The road is the same, the camera angle is the same, and the background is the same. But now, the road shows signs of damage and neglect. This is the first stage of your transformation. Next, repeat the process. Click Add to Prompt, again, using the Scene 1 image this time. Then copy the Scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Veo, and click Generate. Now the road looks completely abandoned, older, broken, and forgotten. Continue this same process for all the scenes. Each time, use the previous image as a reference to generate the next stage. Once all the images are ready, download them to your computer. Now that your visual story is complete, it's time to animate the images. For this, I use a tool called Google Veo 3. Open the tool and go to the Settings section. Then, select Frames to Video. This option lets you turn still images into smooth animation. First, upload your base road image as the first frame, and your Scene 1 image as the second frame. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 1 animation prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. After that, select your aspect ratio and choose Veo 3 as the video generation model. You'll notice it costs 20 credits, but don't worry, you get free credits daily, so you can create videos without spending money. Now, click Generate. Within seconds, your static images turn into a smooth transformation animation. The road slowly changes, creating that satisfying visual effect viewers love. Repeat this process for all your scenes. Animate each stage, and then download all the videos to your computer. Finally, it's time to combine everything. For this, you can use a video editor like CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your animated clips. Then, drag them into the timeline in the correct order. You can also add background music, transitions, and color filter. When you're done, click Export. And just like that, your viral AI road transformation video is complete. This is the exact method creators are using to get millions of views, and now you know how to do it too. But remember, tools alone don't make a video go viral. Creativity, consistency, and storytelling are what truly make the difference. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.